Okay, so now we're going to add some video to a post. Um, it's pretty much the same as when you're adding images, because you're just embedding the image in there or the video in there. Uh, but due to the fact that WordPress.com is free, WordPress.org, you pay for it and whatnot, but WordPress.com is free, so not all embed codes work in WordPress. Of course, we're lucky that the majority of the major ones do. Your YouTube, um, Vimeo, and TED, and some other sites. So let's go right ahead and we're going to do a new post. So let's say you're doing an assignment and you're going to create a post for that assignment. And you would say new post, assignment 1, through social media. You'd put some of your text in here. You could be writing. Of course, I would write in Word and then paste it in there. So you'd paste your document in there, and then say, okay, I know there's some TED video that I want to put in here. How do I go ahead and do that? Okay, it's really simple. I'm going to jump over to a TED page, and I'm going to grab this. Actually, I've been wanting to watch this, so won't watch it now, but let's open it up. And the thing with embed codes, you just kind of look for them a little bit. Most of the time, it's going to say embed or it's going to say share, and then the embed's going to be in there somewhere. So if we look, it's loading. It's running a little slow. And right here, we notice there's a little share. So if we click on that share button, it's going to stop the video. Now, this is a little different. This is the one place where it's a little different, and that's why I wanted to show TED first. You do have an embed code here. Embed this video, but this will not work in WordPress.com. It works in WordPress.org, when you use an org site type thing and you're doing your own. But these free ones, it doesn't work. But what they did was they went ahead and created an embed code that works, and it says WordPress.com, and those are the types of sites we're using. So we're going to grab that, copy it, or you can just copy over here. We're going to go back to our page once I find it in all my tabs up there. We're going to paste it. Okay. And then I'm going to just preview this. I'm not going to publish it. You would, I'll preview it first. And it's popping up here. And there's my title that I made. And there's the TED video popped in, and I can hit play. So this would be how you'd put like an assignment in. So let's go ahead and go back to close that and go back to our page here. Now let's say we want to add another video, but we want to add this from, say, YouTube. So I'm going to go to YouTube through the magic of television, right? And let's say I found a video. I'm just going to sort of paste in this video, a documentary that I made just because it's handy. And it pops up here, and I'm going to pause it so it doesn't start playing. Once it comes in, now here your share is sort of under your embed code is going to be under the share. So if you mouse over, it says share or embed. So if I click on that, you don't want this link. You want to go to embed. Grab that embed, copy it. Okay. So I had to go to share and then embed, copy that embed code, go back to your post, post that embed code in. Okay. And then we can preview it. You can always preview before you post. Of course, you can always edit a post. And then it comes in. The YouTube one came in faster. And there's the YouTube one down there. And there's the TED one there. So that way we just quickly put in a couple different video types. Again, if you look for embed codes, usually you're going to be okay. You could always preview it. Some won't work, but on the majority of the sites it's going to work. Then when you're all done, you just hit publish, and it'll publish your assignment.